Here we are, we're in the cabin here, sailing along. Let's have a look at our vital signs here. So let's see, let's see, you can't see that very well. Hang on, let me close this up. Alright, so that's our forward looking sonar. They're saying we're in about 6 meters of water, and we've got, open this up, we're chuffing along 1500 revs, doing 3.9 knots. Okay, so that's us there. The white water, the white is deep water. And who is steering the boat? And how are you steering it? You're steering it on Navionics, aren't you?
Yep, on your phone.
On the phone. So you're not even looking where you're going, you're just watching the Navionics.
I am, but I'm also checking to make sure there's no boats or anything around, just in case our sonar thing doesn't let me know there's a boat nearby.
Alright, well that's good then. Alright, good job.